People are talking about Hyundai and we want to know what they're saying. So we put cameras in a few of our cars. You could call it eavesdropping. We're calling it Hyundai Uncensored.
I never thought a Hyundai would be so awesome.
I think they might have made me a convert.
I am shocked.
Hyundai is really stepping up their game.
Sweet.
Sweet!
Sweet ride.
Ooh, loud at Mercy. Look at it.
I feel so lame for spending the money on my
a Mercedes.
We couldn't have said it any better, but you might. Test drive a Hyundai today and let us know what you think.
Hey guys, welcome to Chinese Tech Out with me, of course, and time for some tech tips. Now that you've seen how the Kodak PlaySport works, and you might have, or any other portable recording device that you might have, you might be wondering, what are you going to do with all these videos? We're going to show you a quick way to edit your video and upload it online, because that is probably the #1 thing that you want to do when you record your video. Share it with the people that you love. First of all, what you want to do is to pop out the SD card or the memory card of your device and grab yourself a card reader. This would be the quickest way to transfer whatever media that you have on your portable device to your PC. I know that there are USB cables that come along with your portable devices, but their transfer speed is actually slower, and this would probably be the best way to transfer them. So get your card reader. What we have here is a Cliptech portable card reader that can also read a SIM cards. Would you believe? A Cliptech card reader can also read SIM cards and enable you to back up your data, but we'll leave that for another episode of Check It Out. First, let's just plug in this USB card and plug it into the PC, and you're all set. So once you have your your card reader on and your card inside, you'll see your file inside your PC. So these files are actually quite big. Like this single file over here is about 380 MB, and it's just like a few minutes of recording time. Why? Because the Kodak PlaySport does record in HD format, as we mentioned, of course, on the previous review that we showed. And HD or high definition formats are quite big, alright? So you want to chop it up or edit it or add text, add music, whatever you want. We're going to use a software that's free with the Windows 7 system or your Windows XP system. It's called the Windows Live Movie Maker, or on your XP system, it's called the Windows Movie Maker, alright? So what we have here is a Windows 7 system, so it's a Windows Live. So what you do is, when you launch Windows Live Movie Maker, you just get the file that you have on your card and drag it. Alright, it says here, drag photos or videos here to browse them. So you just drag it and it's there. Now on the Windows Movie Maker, you can do tons of stuff, and they're all very easy. Even a beginner on a PC can easily edit these videos for your nice viewing pleasure. Alright, so what you can do here is you can chop it up, cut it up, take out the parts that you don't want. You can also add captions, add titles, add credits, add pictures as introductions. You can also add music to it, of course, if needed. Okay, so what you do now, as you can see, if I play the video,
another special web exclusive unboxing here at www.
Okay, that's a sample of how you can view the video over here. Now, for example, you want to chop this part up. You've already reviewed your video, and this is the time when you put your mouse over it, it tells you at which time point you are on your video, and you want to cut that portion out. All you need to do is to right click and split it, and then right click at the end again of the part that you want to cut out and split it, and click on delete. That's it. Now if you want to add text, for example, as a caption for this particular video, you just click on the caption button over here and then type your text, and immediately
So we're gonna
the video will show a sample of what you've done and the caption over there. If you want to add a title before this video clip, you just click on the title page there and you can type your text and the title will come out before the video. It's that easy. It's just like using PowerPoint. I know a lot of you are already experienced with using PowerPoint. It's just like making a PowerPoint presentation, except that you're using a lot of video. Now, if you want to add music, you just go to your music library, pick your particular song, drag it to the particular area where you want the music to be in, and it's there. So there's a music playing in the background of this video already.
on the detail box.
It's that easy. And you can also trim if you want to shorten this video because you don't really want it to last that long. You can also move it around. You can do tons of stuff. You can also cut the music, set it to the particular area, play around with it because it's that easy. Now, after you do all your editing, you want to think, what am I going to do next? First of all, you save your project, okay? Save it on your SD card because that's where your video files are. Save the project, so if you don't want to edit, if you don't want to upload it yet, you can just quickly go back and all your settings will be the same. But if you want to publish it right away, Windows Movie Maker does allow you to publish it directly on YouTube, or you can add plugins like Facebook plugins, and you can just, after you edit, you can just quickly upload it on Facebook. It's that easy. If you want to save your edited video file as a file, because the previous saving was done as a project, but if you want to save the file itself and you want to share it to people, you can also go on the menu and go click on Save Movie, and you can either burn it on DVD, save it as a high definition format of 1080p, save it under 720p, another smaller version of a high definition format, or you can have the standard widescreen format 480p or the standard definition. What that means is this will give you different file sizes. The smaller you go, if you want to email it, then you want the video file to be small, then you quickly save it under email. Or if you want to upload it on your mobile phone, you can click this one, and so on and so forth. So it's that easy. After that, your videos are saved or uploaded, and now you're done. So guys, it's very important that you manage your video files. Too much videos on your drive, on your cell phones, and they're all going to waste. They're just sleeping there in your hard drive if you don't share them with anyone. The key to recording a video is to either upload it, share it to your friends, burn it on DVDs, give it out as this, okay? So now you know, check it out. So that's it for this episode of Tech Island. We'd like to give special thanks to Alan Tan and all the rest of the owners of Redbox. So this has been Ryan, your host. Thank you for watching Tech Island.
Tech Island Season 4 is presented to you by Hyundai, ClipTech, co-presented to you by B Resorts, Folded and Hung, and Shakey's.
The Hyundai plant in Montgomery, Alabama is one of the most technologically advanced factories in the world. But it's having every one of our team members in charge of quality that makes it feel like the new Sonata is built by hand. Introducing the all-new Sonata from Hyundai.